In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for nonprofit campaign ideas, fast and easy. If you're looking to maximize your nonprofit's reach and impact, harnessing the power of Google Trends is a great place to start. It's an intuitive tool that allows you to tap into the latest search data and understand what's truly capturing people's attention. Now let's dive right in. First up, you'll want to navigate to Google Trends. It's as easy as opening your browser and searching for Google Trends. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on the first link you see in the search results. This will take you straight to the Google Trends homepage, where all the exciting data is at your fingertips. Once you're on the site, your next step is to click on Explore. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to dive deep into the data and start your search for nonprofit campaign inspiration. Here, you can type in keywords that align with your nonprofit goals. For instance, think about phrases related to your causes like climate change awareness, mental health support, or animal rescue. If the option is available, select Topic to ensure you're capturing all the related searches around your theme. After entering your keywords, hit Enter. This action will pull up a wealth of information on search interest over time for your selected topics. It's crucial to use the filters available to you. Narrow down your search by region, selecting countries or specific areas where your nonprofit operates. Additionally, choose a relevant category, like nonprofits and activism. These filters help ensure your campaigns are targeted to areas with genuine demand or interest. As you analyze the interest over time, look at the data from the past 12 months or even over the past 5 years. This can reveal various trends such as steady growth, which indicates ongoing interest, or sudden spikes that might suggest seasonal interest, perfect for timing your campaigns with events like World Mental Health Day. On the other hand, if you notice declining trends, it might be best to steer clear of those topics. Scrolling down, you'll encounter the Related Topics and Related Queries sections. These areas are gold mines for new opportunities. Rising topics can point you towards emerging interests, such as sustainable living tips, while top queries reflect consistently popular themes. Use these insights as ready-made campaign themes, hashtags, or content ideas. To refine your strategy further, compare multiple campaign ideas by using the Plus Compare feature to assess 2 to 5 potential topics. Focus on those with the highest and growing interest to ensure your efforts are timely and engaging. Finally, you can take these insights to plan your campaign timing and messaging. Aligning your efforts with seasonal spikes, regional hotspots, or trending queries maximizes your reach and engagement. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating meaningful and impactful nonprofit campaigns using Google Trends. Thanks for tuning in, and happy campaigning.